3.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Sadia Hussain, lecturer, Department of Finance. Today I am going to discuss Chapter 11, which is bank deposit. Dear students, this is the second part of our today's lecture. In this segment, we will discuss some other types of bank account. First one is school savings account. This type of account is basically used or open for encouraging the students for saving tendency. They can use their savings or they can keep their savings in this type of account. Second one is insurance savings account. This type of account facilitates both life insurance and savings account. And third one is foreign exchange savings account. This type of account is open for using foreign transactions. Then deposit pension scheme. A certain amount of money is kept for a certain time frame for every month. I repeat, for every month a certain amount of money is kept for a certain time frame. This type of account is called deposit pension scheme. Then loan deposit account. Before taking a loan, a business person, an industrialist or any other person has to open an account with that bank. After that, the loan amount is transferred to his or her account. That's why he or she has to open a bank account, which is called loan deposit account. Then last one is resident foreign currency deposit account. The short form of this name is RFCD. This type of account is appropriate for the person who is doing foreign transactions or foreign business regularly, such as importing, exporting business. Then the most important thing is things to consider while opening a bank account. Before opening a bank account, we have to understand or we have to think or consider some important topics. First one is location, which is very much important for a person to open a bank account. Then second one is efficiency. This is also very much important for opening a bank account, because if the banking person efficiently provide the services to the account holder, then he or she will be encouraged to open a bank account. Then third one is multifarious services. That means multifunctional services. This type of services is also very much important before opening a bank account, because if bank provides various types of services for opening a bank account, then the account holder will be more encouraged. Then foreign exchange. This is also very much important, because for opening a bank account, the account holder has to consider the thing if she or he involved in foreign exchange business, whether the bank facilitates for opening a letter of credit or for helping him for exporting or importing. Then goodwill. This is also another important factor for opening a bank account. If the bank's goodwill is very much high, then the person will be more encouraged. Then scheduled bank. bank is scheduled or enlisted to the central bank, then it will be more preferable for a person for receiving any kind of facilities. Apart from them, there are some other factors, which is loan facilities. If the bank easily provide loan to the account holder, then interest. Always a person consider higher interest rate before opening a bank account. Then service tariffs. Clients always prefers lower tariffs for any kind of services. Then last one is electronic banking, which is also another important factor in today's world before opening a bank account. Then, how to open a bank account? A person can open various types of account according to his or her need or requirement. He can open any kind of account. If he or she is a business person, current account is more profitable for him. If he or she is fixed income holder person, then savings account is more preferable for him. If he or she wants to earn interest or income for a certain time frame, then fixed account is more profitable for him. Before opening a bank account, he has to fill a form and he has to give his details information, his job or his duties and responsibilities, his permanent address, driving license, national ID or passport, etc. He has to provide to the bank. After verifying all this information, if all the information is correct, then he or she will be able to open a bank account. Most important thing is a reference or signature of an existing account holder or existing client of this bank is also more important. Then, how to close the bank account? Before closing a bank account, the client has to send a request letter to the bank or to the specific branch to close his account, and he or she has to return the unused checkbook, passbook or credit card or debit card to the bank. Then today's last important topic is electronic banking, which plays a vital role in today's banking business. At first, we have to understand what is electronic banking. Electronic banking is that type of banking which is done through internet or laptop or any kind of electronic devices. There are some types of electronic banking component. First one is debit or credit card. A client can withdraw money, deposit money, purchase any kind of things by using this type of card without cash. Then ATM. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine, which is open or which provides 24-hour services. By using this machine, a person can withdraw or deposit his money through a debit card or credit card. Then phone banking or mobile banking. By using this type of services, a client can receive the information about the transaction or pay any type of bill, etc. Then SMS banking. Through SMS banking, a client can also understand or also know his account balance, about various types of information, about various types of services of bank. Then internet banking. This is also very much important for today's world. For using this type of services, a person needs a laptop and internet for receiving this type of service. He can pay any type of bill or he can make any kind of transaction for using this type of services. This is the last topic of today's lecture, which is any branch banking. A person can make transaction of a specific bank on any branch of this bank by using internet. Dear students, that's all for today's class. Allah Hafiz.